Hello friends, I am Gaurav Singh Hussain from Gorakhpur. I was also the student of Centurion Defence Academy, and basically I got a chance second time to confront you all and to speak with you all and to present my whole journey. SSB के लिए जब तक हम लाइव एक्सपीरियंस एक ना लें तब तक वहाँ जाने के बाद कुछ समझ में नहीं आता. सो दैट इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर अस दैट हम अपने कैपिटल सिटी में ही एक इतनी अच्छी इंस्टीट्यूट हमें मिल रही है. तो यहाँ आने के बाद हम काफ़ी चीज़ें सीखें. स्पेशली मेरी सबसे वीक जो मुझे लगती है वो थी साइक टेस्ट. सो ऑफ कोर्स फॉर दैट सिसे सर हमारे एजुकेटर थे उसके लिए और ये हमें गाइड करते थे. ओवरऑल आउट ऑफ 78 40 वर गेट स्क्रीन इन. So we all get ready in formals and reported near the hall at 6:30 after getting briefing from the psychologist. First was TAT. That of 11 pictures are shown for the 30 minutes and we get 4 minutes to write, and after that one blank story, that is the 12th one. So I have already decided what I have to write in the 12th story, and like next word WAT, word association test. So in that 60 words are going to flash and we have to write. Of course last time I have done 48. Later on the moving to the next we have to attempt SRTs. So that I have done there. And the last one is the self description test, SDT. That already I have prepared and already I have get checked by the Cecil sir when I was in Centurion. So I was already prepared that, and I have written the same thing what I have prepared. Honestly, I have answered all the question in SDT. Now the next day is GTO test, on which I was very confident from the starting because I personally feel that my GTO is the strongest point. GTO has come and just first time we meet our GTO and he briefed us about the process. So we know that first of all our GD they have conducted our GD. So I was very clear about the GD that what I have to do. So we already decided that we will choose international topic and we did the same. Then we go for the PGT half group task. After that we are just gone for the GP group planning exercise. So in that I was written my own conclusion. On 4th day we started with the snake race. So snake race was there. So we also called the group obstacle race. So in that of course our group spirit is so high. So we go there for the individual obstacle and of course we performed well in that. Likewise when my number was called, I was the first who called because he started from the behind, and I did out 10 obstacles was there. I had done 2 extra, means 2 obstacles I have repeated in 3 minutes, and a total I have done 12 obstacles. Lecturate was there in the I and my group all have done well. GTO help us if we are speaking well, if our communication skill is well and we are doing well. So on the 4th day command task, of course my he has called on the 3rd last my name, and like always the last task was there in front of us, that is final group task. So that get over just in 2 minutes. I think we have taken less than 2 minutes, and like this our GTO get over. Now one thing is the most important thing is left, that is the interview, personal interview. So when I entered in room, he offered me chair. I have taken my seat comfortably. So his first word was that, okay Gaurav, you were conference out from the 21 SSB Bhopal. So here he gets slightly confused. So I had said no sir. In fact I was recommended from the 21 SSB Bhopal. So our conversation started on this: why was I have not joined, what was my rank, and what I have did to solve my medical issues and how I was doing so. And then he asked about what I am doing to what I have done in this time of span for my upcoming SSB, how I get prepared for those all. The most interesting part is that I have not asked a single question from my PIQ. He have not asked anything from my PIQ. He just asked about NDA. He asked, yes, one thing just he asked about me about in interest. I have written that the geography is my interest. So on that he have asked that how we can if we take the air route, then what all countries will lie in between if we go to Russia from India. So I have told him the several ways, because if we go through air route, so we have a lot of options to approach Russia. So this is how I tackle these all questions. Now the fifth day, that is the conference day. Of course, all were nervous on that day because and result is about to announce, and all our practice and the hard work, the result is about to come on that day. I was also slightly nervous, but from inside I was confident that all the tasks I have done well, and definitely they are going to select me for the NDA 149 also, and I am going to NDA. And interestingly, the same has happened. They have, along with the other 9, they have selected me also for the NDA 149, and I get like this, I get recommended for NDA 149 batch course from 18 SSB Allahabad. After that, of course, we have done our documentation and all. We fill the forms, many forms on that day we have to fill. After that, we get shifted again in dormitory, and now it is time to start our medicals, which has lasted for the 10 days after my SSB. So like this, it was my 5-day experience. That's all. Thank you.